Ciao a tutti, welcome back to Yes I Am blog. This is Luca in the kitchen, and today your chef is gonna take you to Sicily. This is a recipe full of freshness, quick, easy and delicious. Mamma mia, me fa morire. Ora, ingredienti. We have tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, 3 cloves of garlic, a handful of basilico fresco and almond, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, pasta. This recipe is called Pesto alla Trapanese. Come, I'll show you how it works. Now, the beauty of this recipe is that we are not cooking this sauce. So we're making the pesto and it is raw. But what we need to start with is the garlic. Can you see the garlic have something there? That's the future plant sticking out. So when you treat the garlic, you want to get this out of it. Now this will give you a bad smell, hard to digest, lots of unusual things. So we don't want this. We want the food. So all we need, we don't need a pan. Yes, of course, to cook the pasta we will, but to make this sauce, all we need is a blender. We're gonna start blending down 3 cloves of garlic, okay? Then will be followed by the tomatoes and then the almonds. So come and have a look. Oh, and this is the plant. Okay, so I'll be back. So this is my garlic. Now you can add the tomatoes or the almonds first, it's up to you. And queste sono le mandorle, this is your almonds. So now we add 1, 2, 3 pomodori. I'll be back. Well, now the flavors and the smells start talking. And guys, this is bringing it back to Sicily. It's an ideal summertime dish. Very easy to make. I can keep this in the fridge a couple of days and use it as I go when I cook pasta. For me, for the kids, for the family, for your guests. So let's do the basil now. Okay, un po' di sale, pepper and salt. It's gonna make it delicious. So when we have this sauce, we'll have crunchiness, freshness, smells, and pasta. How do we cook this? Don't break it, keep it as it is. I cook it for whatever says the pack 1 minute earlier. Throw it out and the music starts. Eccoci qua ragazzi, la pasta è cotta. Ora aggiungiamo 2 cucchiai di pesto alla trapanese, poi mescoliamo. Well, here guys we got the pasta, we're adding some of our pesto alla trapanese. We mix, mescola, mescola, mescola. Beautiful. Oh, the smell is unreal. Fantastic. Ora prepariamo il nostro piatto e facciamo una presentazione. Voglio fare to present it. I'm gonna turn the pasta and make like a long full shell like this. Voila. Okay. A little bit of pesto still to go on top and falling towards the back like that. A drizzle of olive oil, some basil on the side, and a little bit of cracked pepper. Voilà. E questo, signore e signori, ladies and gentlemen, is our spaghetti with fresh made pesto alla trapanese. Mwah.